Hey everybody, Derek Smith here from Pop-Up Camper Pro with another little quick tip for the refrigerator on your camper. On pop-up campers, three-way driven refrigerators are popular. They can operate off of 12 volt, 110, or LP. For the LP side, you want to periodically check the burner area. And that's what I have apart here today, is the burner off of this 06 Niagara. Before I tested the LP system on this refrigerator, I found a large mud daubler nest inside the burner area. So we want to go ahead and check this area out and make sure that there aren't any obstructions inside of it before we put flame to this component. And I've been blowing stuff out of it. It definitely had debris in it. So your burner might look a little different. It's all the same principle. Take this little guy out from underneath the chimney and blow it out. I put some tape over top the LP line that was supplying that burner, so when we clean this chimney and this area down here, we won't get any debris in this line. In this chimney area, we want to knock any soot out of this. Access the top of the exhaust and blow that through as well. Okay, let's put all this back together. You can see that we don't have any LP hooked up to this camper or even a battery, and it's not plugged in when we're doing this job. All right, let's do it. All right, first we'll put our igniters back onto the burner orifice. So the probes go inside, line up the set screw. I'm gonna try to keep my hands out of the way for everybody. Remove our tape and reinstall the burner. Hook it up to the fuel line. .7/16 wrench on this refrigerator. And attach it to the chimney. Making sure our supply line is nice and tight. And reinstalling the condensation drip tray. Looks good. Before we put the cover back on, we'll go ahead and test the system, look for a nice blue flame. Keys for the camper door. Wrong one. There we go. Okay, we want to draw any air out of the lines. The stove does it the fastest. Front burner. There it goes. All right, we'll let that run about 30 seconds. Let's check the refrigerator. So she's running good. I'm gonna let it go a little bit longer, see how it performs, and then put the heat shield back on and call this job done. Thank you for watching. This is another job that you can do. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. I will see you guys at the campground.